today's pursuit of efficiency, environmental friendliness, and personalization, flat pack container house leads the innovation of living with its unique charm. We adopt advanced modular design concepts to simplify houses, allowing every detail to reveal ingenuity. Say goodbye to lengthy construction cycles. Flat pack container house can be quickly built in a short period of time, allowing you to easily have a warm home. Whether it's size, layout, or appearance style, we provide personalized customization services to meet your different needs for living environment. We deeply understand the importance of safety, so the structure of the house is stable and reliable, and can withstand the test of harsh weather and natural disasters. At the same time, we provide a comprehensive after-sales service system to ensure that you can live with peace of mind and peace of mind. Choosing flat pack container house is choosing a completely new way of life. Let's work together to create a better future.